Hey there, I'm going to show you something I got here from Pelican Parts. It's these visor clips. So I've done the one side already here, as you can see. I got the pair of two. So I'm taking them out. It's Phillips. All right. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Here. Okay. All right, we got it down. One second. Okay. It's being extra cheeky. All right. Okay, so I got the other one out. Here's the new piece. So all we're doing is popping the old, the old fastener. Okay, a second. Let's go through, just lining it up. Second while I line it up to show yous. Alright, so it's in here. There's nothing fancy about it. It just lines up. Okay. Okay, see, it's just lining up. And this is from Pelican Parts. It's got the contacts here, so you will have your use of your Vanity Light. And over here, you have a little door. Just give that a little tappy tap. Or not. Okay. There you go. And how does it hold? Well, it holds just fine. And note, it's cream. This one is cream interior, so it's like a beige. So yeah, you want cream interior for this one here, and it's a perfect match. So yours might be a different interior, so you might have to figure out if yours is date, then it's a bit darker. But just make sure you're 100% with the color. Otherwise, the fitment is perfect. Thanks very much. Again, thank you very much to Pelican Parts for making this possible. I got the packet too. I'm so glad I did this. Thanks very much. Have yourself a great one. Bye.